we can keep the, yeah, we can keep everything here. Yeah, you can see parallelly. So this is updating the each and everything. So what the robot is doing, so robot is reading the point of contacts from the HTML table in the website, and in the right side you can see. So, and each and every project code, you have a separate project code text file is there where the project description is available. So the robot is picking that project description from that particular text file, corresponding project code text file, and prepare a project document with the project code.pdf. So within that, so it will check whether the developer phone number is available. If not, it will just keep the NA. If the manager phone number is available, then it will keep the NA. If it's not there, it is NA. Otherwise, okay, so it will just take as a both in the point of contact drop list. Okay. You can see the robot is changing the drop list for if both are there, it is changing the both. If it's a manager is there, just simply putting the manager. The developer is there, only putting the developer here. Parallelly, for each and every record, it is creating the project document PDF. That is the overall project of the point of contacts. The contacts are available here. So once it is completed, click on the submit button and close all the things like so browser and Word. Yeah, you can see this bottom. So it is just selecting the both as developer phone number and manager phone number is available. And you can see there is a lot many. Yeah. Now you can see, so the last one came, so and the robot is going to complete all the things and click on the submit button. Okay. So once you click on the submit button, just close the windows and okay, so the MS Word and actually browser. So all are ready. So the project files are ready. So if you open the project files, so wherever there is no developer contact is there, so the NA, so wherever this contract is there, so it will just fill everything in the so it is just extracting the data from this text files, the project information, corresponding information, and the few details like the 3 details from the website. Yeah, that is a point of contact. Thank you very much for watching.